Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite recipes, butter burgers. Extremely unhealthy, but extra delicious. We're gonna start off with the butter compound first. It's just 6 easy ingredients, and let's get started. So you're gonna need 4 sticks of softened butter. We're gonna go right into the bowl with that. 1.5 teaspoons of parsley and 1.5 teaspoons of basil, a couple pinches of salt and pepper. I'm gonna go heavier on the cayenne because I like cayenne. And then we've got 2 large cloves of garlic minced. So you're just gonna stir it up. I'm sure that's a great sound. All right, and once you have that all nice and mixed up, we're gonna get some cellophane. Scoop that directly onto it. Try to roll it into a little log because we're gonna slice these into pads of butter. And there's our butter compound into the fridge for 2 hours. All right, next we're gonna start on our roasted garlic aioli. Let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with a cup of mayo. Get that in a food processor. A tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Next, 6 cloves of roasted chopped garlic. And then on our seasonings, we've got a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Get that going. And voila, our roasted garlic aioli. Okay, now that we've let our butter cool down, we are going to construct our burgers. So you're gonna want some ground beef ready to go. I've already got them balled up. All right, you're gonna take your burger and kinda half it, because you're gonna wanna put this inside your burger. Take a nice slab of your butter. That's going right in there. Cover it back up. You got your first burger. Do that to all. We're doing 4, so all 4. And we're gonna put this on the Steelmade. Best temperature I like to cook burgers is anywhere from 375 to 400. I'm gonna go for 375 today. Burger construction is over, so we're gonna throw down a couple pads of butter. Got the temperature where I want it. Told you this isn't gonna be very healthy. All right, burger's down. Got a nice sizzle. I'm gonna throw a little salt and pepper on it. We wait till browning. All right, now while those brown off, we're going to put our buns on, which I use potato buns always. Big potato bun fan. Put a little bit of butter down. And I've reduced the heat in the middle here so I can not burn the heck out of these. All right, potato buns on. All right, I'm gonna smash these down a little bit. All right, we got our burgers flipped, and just for fun, we're gonna throw down another pad of butter to melt on top of our flipped burger. All right, now that we've got our butter starting to melt, we're gonna put our cheddar on. This is a mild sharp cheddar. Get that melted off, and then we're gonna start building our base. Tomato. We'll put the burger on there, and then we're gonna put our aioli on top of the cheese, and we should be done. All right, time to pull off these burgers. Smell delicious. Heat off. All right, and our aioli, I'm gonna go directly on top of that burger. All right, and there you have it, roasted garlic aioli butter burgers. Thanks for joining us this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.